Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to my art journal, such as it is my first ever art journal. I've done a few more pages, so I thought I'd do a very quick video to show you what I've been up to. So as we know, it was, remember rightly, we've seen this. This is me practicing with my oil pastels, and it was rubbish because I overworked it. I really overworked it, but as you can see, I've been trying different like felt tips, felt tip colours, pencils over it to see what works best. But yeah, I really overworked that back. So that we've seen that, we've seen this, we've seen those. My crap salad. Remember my crap salad? I think on our last video, if I remember rightly, we've just seen this. But what I've done now is I've added I'm a real art soul. Not an arsehole, but an art soul. Yep. Play on words. And this is my new one. Now, the black and white version of this to colour in is available on Patreon to download for members. But this was mine coloured in. I'm not too keen on this. It's a little bit too bright for my liking, but I tried to work the background. It's all done with pencils and felt tip pens and highlighters and gel black pen, just to bring it out a little bit more. And I've tried to do the purple and the lime green look really well together. I've also put some little raised things on, so it's very textural. There's another one there. But yeah, there's that one, which is new. I love the colours. I just love the purple and the lime green. Going into the orange as well. And down here it's like a blue. All done with pencils and felt tip pens. Again, guys, you can get this one, the black and white version, to colour in yourself over on Patreon as a free download. Now these, my mentor Jenny taught me how to do these. Aren't they beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. I just love them. I love them. What I did was I put some old washi tape or masking tape around the edges and down the side and through the middle, like that way. Vibro brain. And then that way as well. And then I sprayed water all over it. And then I just dropped in watercolours and let them all merge together. And did paler ones, darker ones. These like blues, greens, purples. And then on this side, I did the oranges, the reds, and the pinks. And then once it's all dry, you just get your gel pen, your black and your white gel pens, and you take off the masking tape, obviously, or the washi tape, whatever you used, and then you replace it with some pretty washi. And as you can see, this one looks like a map. Get right in there, look at that. And you just let your gel pen basically and your brain work together, and you put in what you see. In some cases you can, like, as here, I've gone round where it was all pinky, and there was like a big blodge of orange there, so I made it into a flower. I just think it's beautiful the way it melds in the colours. We'll go over to this one. Again, I've done like darker one versions and a lighter one. And I just followed the patterns with my gel pen. And then put a highlighter white gel pen on top. And some pretty washi tape. But I think that is absolutely amazing. A wonderful technique. And I might do one on camera one day to show you. Now this one is beauty. This is another colouring in project. Again, the black and white version is available on Patreon for you to colour in yourself. Free download for members. Again, it's done with pencil and felt tip pen. I blend in with different coloured pencils, and then I highlight areas with felt tip. As you can see, the edges of this one and the middles of theirs are done with felt tip. And that's got highlighter pencil on again with the white highlighter pencil, and in there with the black highlighter pencil. pen rather, not pencil, pen. That's blended, highlighted. And over this side, excuse me, I drew a circle with an old plate, and then I very, very lightly went in with a pencil and just made some like little flowers. And then I went in with watercolour. I sprayed watercolour on first, and then I dropped in the watercolour with a very, very light brush. And then when all that was dry, I did the wash and line technique with the highlighter pens, the white and the black again, gel pens. See it there. And it's a peace and inspire. Love that. Love it. And then I just went a bit mad. This is done with a Q-tip. You know, the little rod with the cotton ball on the end, like cotton, like not supposed to stick in your ears. You know those ones, guys? And then it's got like a wash of what's it called? Gesso, Mod Podge. I can't remember. It's either gesso or Mod Podge. One of them over the top of it. It's very, very textual. And all those are different words, different languages for the word dot. We've got punto, propta, punct. My favourite one, brick. Over here, this is alcohol ink, just dropped on. And I've used my different stamps and a black distress ink. Just do it. Free your creative soul. And that, again, is done with the Q-tips. And little tiny writing in there, it says dots. If you pull out, it goes from yellow all the way through to the rainbow. I just love it. I have done one more, but I'm not going to show you that just yet because it's not finished. And that's how I'm getting on with my art journal. Thanks again, guys. See you soon.